Welcome back to Davi Dan HD. To some, I don't need an intro. But for all those who don't know me, my name is DS himself. Anyways, new movie today, guys. This one named Brothers of Ego. Someone to get to the popcorn or the ice cream. Anyone on favorite little snackies and watch the movie. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you don't subscribe yet. Zine, enjoy the movie. That place look different, man. Love.
Dala.
Yeah, go ahead.
How are you, sir?
I check my count, check him, man. I pass through. Just to make you know some in a year, as in.
Bro. You must years, man. How are you, sir, bro? For sure.
Pass through. You know that? You look like you get affected by the hurricane, man.
Who tell us, sir?
I don't know, because I don't get no call. You could have called me if you even give you a helping hand.
Bro, how you mean not get affected?
Yeah.
Tragic.
Which part affected? The place look nice, man. Everywhere look different from you, man.
Yeah, you want how much money you win, that man charge me for bill back there and win that day.
Serious?
I mean, the man say I have a hot glass and hot sun and Tony, but me
Can borrow the seat?
I mean, take you all I see, bro. I don't know if I ask me, man, scam me or whatever, but I said win them me get back, so I must do it, though.
Ah,
but
yeah, you good though. We so never want nothing financially in terms of help out.
And I really said that, bro, because I hear what go on. You see, this a party I can't keep, but you know, so run up back.
Yeah.
In a storm, whole like kitchen top fly off. Right time I me and Uncle Paul have the panic kitty zinc, hold on panic. Till me see one zinc fly past my head so but me I say, I'm not really there for analyzing myself, you know, so just jump off. Isn't me what?
Well, I'm glad for knowing our life still and if you know structure on up you know, at least you have the front part. Nobody no call me simply mean say you're alright.
And alright, bro, because old people said we and people forget pay, but many of them good at street now. I'm a hustler, so everything will sort out in due time.
As I say, I pass through.
So I put some fast, bro.
No, I pass through. At least you know me in that area now. See?
Yeah.
Active up back my old number. So if anything, you just give me a call, man. Then I can take you on.
So, what kind of devices, sir?
I want camera design of Fambo.
How much, sir? You know
10 grand mash.
I know, bro, you know, in real life, more sitting there, more start one look at YouTube channel too. While like some editing around the yard. But me, I feel say the yard like all 130,000, 50,000 you can. You know,
Camera.
You know, 10 grand could I get more?
Yes, man, 10 grand US and you're solid, man. Davi. Oh. Well, when I hear me say 10 grand, it's about Jamaican money.
You, that's
10 grand Jamaican money by camera that can't go by your phone.
Brother, a house and car money that.
Well,
and you can walk with 10 grand. No, you not have a suitcase. You should have some plastic wrap money, bro.
I had the first somebody said that to me, you know. But you know, I mentioned to you a couple of years back, say, I want to start up a thing. This is it now. This is the first step towards that direction, you see me? Davi, give me a call. I'm not time. I really have something to deal with.
I'm proud of him, brother.
Yeah, man. I'm proud of one two man, because I want to put in the work.
God, no. Well, my brother is always a fortunate one in our family, but alright, so I'm glad to see him. But tell Kayla what go on and see what.
I'm gonna miss my old woman. Let them do that. They have the wealth inside.
Hey, boy. Where are you?
I'm there.
I know who I see a while ago.
Who you see?
Now my brother Dollar Sign, man. He man come down, yo, baby, me say him man how on camera. At 10,000 for. Me I say,
Jamaican?
that me think too. He say US.
US?
Baby, me can't believe right now. Right now, when he tell me come like more and top chat to him, cause I say, yo, if you take the money and spend for so much thing, but I'm a general still, you know.
So you happy to see him?
I mean, no, my brother that. My brother that for life, man. My real brother. My mother child.
Well, I'm sorry if I broke your mouth, though, B, but you know, say, me just get the light bill on my phone.
What?
Baby, just get the light bill, look.
How much it come to?
15,000.
15,000 what?
Jamaican, not US, but Jamaican.
I can't 15,000.
15,000.
Baby, we can't, we light bill cannot come to 15,000. We not use 15,000 worth of electricity. You know how long me no play my TV, how long more I listen to some music. I have to put my phone on my ears for trying to hear loud. You can't come to 15,000.
I don't know 15,000. I know say me lock off the fridge at night time when we not use it. Me lock off the fridge, me don't know. Me don't know. Me just right now, me just stressed out. Me so stressed.
Yeah, use the washing machine.
No, me hand me a wash with it about washing machine. Can't buy that. Just me I tell you the truth, right now my head that hurt me. My head that hurt me badly.
I'm mad not to hold me and try to save money. I feel say like below come to 6 or 7,000.
Yeah, bill is not the only thing.
Oh. Why? Not tell me say somebody call that big money now. I don't have no money for
But never call that big now. She just said that's the paper.
Oh yes.
And the paper I make it to the banks and for the loan you take out. And all your bike where you put up to get your loan. If I can't pay them, I go take it. See paper yeah. Look on it. A beer bills we have to pay. Nothing now going good, nothing now going right. You see? Look at the paper. Look on it. I'm frustrated. I'm frustrated, man.
So what you gonna do?
I don't know what I'm gonna do. See if I can look for another work. See if I can get one other work and top of little work for you do. Because that little hustling now work. See if I can get one other work or something.
Right now, if I tell you the truth, I don't know if I can manage one other work. I cut grass from 6 o'clock, go straight back to 6 o'clock in the evening. And then after that, I go run my little bike taxi till 2
Well, I don't know. If I can ask your brother now.
I don't ask my brother nothing.
Ask him.
My brother I'm a general, but he's not my ATM. I don't ask my brother for nothing.
It's not a matter of ATM, Davi. We are struggle. You don't feel the pressure over your head? Me feel it. Me I tell you the truth. Me feel it down to me.
Even if that I case, my brother just come. How me not even know saying come if he need have a goodness and heart to come check me. He can't just come and me a pray for him.
Don't ask him now. Fred him up little bit, talk to him little bit and ask him. Maybe next 2 or 3 days from now. But you have to ask for help. You have to go look at other work. I don't know what to say.
I don't know because I'm not comfortable to ask for help. I just not born for ask for help, but
I forgot to swallow your pride.
don't worry about it. God will provide.
Yes, God will provide.
You go find something to do. No worry about it, man. Everything will alright. You believe in me?
Yeah, I believe in you. I'm still there with you. Yes, I never believe in you when I get up and go left in.
No worry about it then. I sort out all our bills then. Alright?
Alright.
Ah.
Yes. I'm gonna stress out, man.
Dan shit, dan never tell me how phone put or not. Maybe that be a short look. Journalist. Dav,
Yo, I pray.
I go on the free. What you do now?
Bro,
You can't come give me a link on the pier. I want to chat to you about something.
alright, yeah man, me forward.
Alright. I go on with.
Kayla, me a link dollars. Where are you?
I go on, brother.
Yeah, I'm there, man.
Now have a seat. Oh,
I'm good, man.
yeah, I'm getting comfortable.
So, what's your one?
Something I feel going?
Yeah, just link me randomly. You know, say you have to back out for the youth.
Now my military just done some work on my side and you kick back and show me brother.
Yeah.
Because some little catching up, you see me? Oh, go on, pan.
How long I saw there sitting there, I feel like a king today, bro.
No, man, come see it. Come see it. Give me my exchange, man. There.
Tiny man.
But when I met still,
Mm.
yeah, gimmicks, man, you know. Go on, Penny Girl. Place looks up. Dead. Hurricane?
Nigger, bro. That's all I can say about it. Before the hurricane, nigger was, yeah. Then a corrupt place, bro. If you're not strong, nigger will turn you in an idiot all 2 times. Mad yo. You see me? But nothing else will go on there. I said, I'm going to try to do something, like, we call it roundabout, but then I go on to the dogs, bro. Not even dream weekend now, keep long here again.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. You need
Go on to the dogs, bro.
need a whole, it need an event. When I say event, I don't mean like a little party. I mean just like a life-changing event for happen right here, son. It will take more than just government or influencer, you know?
You feel like I can do it? I'm here. You say you have some big projects in mind.
I have some projects, but it will take unity. But at the end of the day, that's the way you say it, luck.
And let me tell you, not necessarily, you know, I two side to it. You see, I two set of people in a girl who don't have it and I try have it, and who have it and don't want nobody else have it. You see, if who they are top, then form an elite circle and have the place on lock, tight.
But to be realistic, bro, that's not a Negro problem.
That's
a world problem. You see me? And to me, seems like only Negro can help Negro. So if Negro not try help Negro not gonna get help.
That is that another one. Now that I come to chat about politics. Or we
no, not really. But me tell you something. Bro, I'm observant, you know. And to be honest, I might not see you in a long while, but that don't mean I don't remember how you look and I don't know something bad at you. Yeah, man, you have an impression on your face, and now it look worse than when we see you today. Today, you look like you're that fighty, but right now, what go on? Talk to me, man.
Is that obvious?
Obvious, man.
Alright, bro, in our real life, some things not really right, but they are the to do, you know.
Continue, man.
I'm start from the top, bro. You know, say the house, as I tell you, some man to get paid for from when. Through the top blow off and something, and I couldn't have all the appliances now wet up. Fridge did mash up, microwave mash up, and the stove did wet up. I get a man to clean up some things and some only percent. Some only money me spend. Some money me spend me never have. Some money me borrow. Some people get back here and I just want to percent, bro. You see me? And then Kayla good enough. Kayla can hold out, but for how long? Ask myself that. You see me? And I just want to look at things puzzle in my mind. But I don't really nothing too major, you know. So what bother you? I mean, we know say you're good enough. What bother you?
Alright. No. But you say some little things, but what's the big one? What's the biggest one right now?
Alright, bro,
Just spit it out, man,
yeah.
because even though I see I go around kinda like something much try say something. You know me have sense in it, brother.
Alright, yo, me I tell her.
Tell me, man. You
Tell.
just tell me a while ago, so you tell me when you still. I know you know
No, I
something.
can't.
You talk about other man for this.
You know me stay. Alright. You tell her, but me not tell her if you tell nobody. Me not tell her if not even want to hear a whisper it to yourself in your sleep. Bro, you know what I'm saying? Alright. I did take out one loan. I use the bike as collateral. Because you know when I have certain asset you put it on a loan.
Gotcha.
So yeah.
Yeah.
I know a bank call and say, yo, I miss one payment, I miss two payment, and we need to start make some payments or else collateral will get take away.
Okay.
Some buy for gone. You see me? So some all the political things are gone. Because as I say, like they will come to 15,000, bro. Not US, you know. Not US, obviously not US, but
Gotcha.
15, bro, dollars. I even buy 15,000 worth of groceries a month time, dog.
Yeah, but bro, I mean, 15,000, $100 US tax, you know.
But me not even use $30 worth of electronics. Bro, I do not use my washing machine. I only use my fridge night day. I not even plug in at night. But you have one AC, you know what I do? I take it and sell it. I hope my window them. I have natural AC now. So
Yeah.
I feel like somebody bridge on for my current wire setting, bro. Because this one thing is not makes no sense to me. And then if you get that money from when can't get this out.
Bro,
like,
look at the man. You still not tell me what. Right now, I be an answer thing. I understand. Your bill sound high. All right? Enough people bill high. But what?
Bro, I want that money.
You want the money?
I want that money. And I don't know what me I'll get it.
Oh, you want the money for borrow? You want a change or you want the money for borrow?
I know handle, bro. You can't let me have a piece of money.
That's not no problem. Ask me. I know what you want. You say $100. If I just say $100 US, you want me give you that. What I mean, if I something more than that, then we can work out something.
Just lend me on 20 grand.
Davi, how much money you want?
Just want 20 grand, bro. Doesn't mean
I mean, I lend you 30 grand, and yeah, I want to know though. What do you think you could can do about that 30 grand?
as soon as possible, man.
As soon as possible.
All
Alright.
Soon.
At least that. 2 bills.
Yeah, man.
I'm make you get that.
So that's how you can
Go on.
please stress out me.
Yeah. You have to remember, you have to look out for each other. You understand what I mean? And more you have to know this. That you see if any little thing and you run up in enough problem, anything to do with papers and change, feel free to call me, David. You see me? Don't make pride hold you back. You understand what I mean? Any little thing you need to sort out, and just one phone call, man. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and then we know we can do it. That's it. Just give me a minute, man. So you say I go and take a breeze.
So me have to go back, man.
I go in.
Yeah. Tell her, me answer my account, I can answer. Just me get it. And as soon as me can make it get it back.
Alright, no problem. I listen, man.
Yeah, respect.
Right. Yeah, man. You look boy if you want to reach it. See?
Alright.
Let us chill out, my boy.
Yeah.
Hold on. What we can do about the place?
I'll give you.
You know, I said dollars. He call me. And I really feel out with him. I say, he come like, he insists sitting around with me. I mean, I ask him what matter. Oh, me I say, no, it's nothing wrong. He go say, no, it's sitting wrong. Anyways, bills them.
Oh.
Anyways, eventually, he must say, alright, more than more than 20,000 US. I want 200 US. Me ask him what make him, I say, I tell him to tell him my problem. So I tell him everything boy house and something. So I say more than more money.
You got that now?
So
yes, when I go get to pay the bill.
yeah.
You're excited. So you look so down.
Me no know. Me glad for your money, you know, but me not really like owe people. But me work on it still and make sure I say get it. So I just really that.
Me glad. No, me can't find take a little bit of burden off of my head. Oh God, man.
I that go on still.
You not excited?
I'm glad for pay people them and get out some of my bills them, but I'm not really glad for borrow me and borrow it. But that good still.
Stop thinking about it that way then.
I'm borrow that done. That good still, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I get sitting and stuff. Why free?
Brother,
I can't carry
on
that.
those side.
You see, I saw one night time and stuff better. But bro, I don't know that. You always just get nasty and you remember back when we look up at me and over here, so every weekend one big event used to come big sound system and all sort of stuff. It's not go on again, my bro. No, it's not go on. But between me and you still no dog. You don't say really and truly I just sky and burn my father. Me not got each it man, you know. No, my
This is not really.
no, my you in a real life.
It's not a whole Goa Beach vibe, this, you know that. No, I'm a general.
What you call it then?
This is just a chill, have a little conversation with a brother. It's not about the beach, you see me?
Me know that.
I want to thing about. You see me? Just tell me, I say. Just say, yo, you're there on the road with your bro.
Yeah.
You see me? And
What is that?
we not try to get the
Bro,
adult one. But I just the children one.
Boy, me not about that shit, bro. I'm put up. Me not about that shit.
No,
Me not about that shit.
if you want to use fuck up. But that's why
Use what?
Swiss orange.
What me I use that though?
So I'm not telling you that everything. You know, thing like I don't normal drive that thing, you know. So that's still moving to charge show it like so.
Charge. You feel like so if you wear that and see a so hot girl and he like you, then tap like you. Then nobody like you.
We are talking about brother.
My you would my me look brother we can't see my wear that, bro. Come on.
Wait, you know like it?
Come on.
You know, man.
You really posty, brother. You really put on it.
What is that?
Dollars, me shame on you. Shame on you.
Yeah.
What make you have this?
This. Brother, look what you look at. Right now, you know, right now, you just feel cool now.
And that I think, look how I think look.
I don't look oil.
Yes. Man, me.
You guys see this right now, dog. I'm trouble.
I mean, if I try, I would then go to call police and say this man are supposed to
Be
pay.
honest.
No, you know.
No,
I was sick man now. We can't believe this come and be sir. No, bro, no. Me not tell you like. Me not yes. But if I tell like still, me not tell you not like you know. Watch out. I mean, me not help you. Next thing they go for you, me take off man truck on me there. Yeah. Go on. No man, me go with bro. What else I go and clutch box though? No, bro. Remember say me live there, bro. That's a regular setting for me. But that's a still, man. Oh, one. Let me know what I call.
That's what they build water cold, man.
See now what I say?
That's how kick back and was.
Say how you want. Do you want to grab two juice then?
Yeah, go get the money now.
No, man. They good, man. We sort out.
No, we pay for that.
No, man. No, man. I want to man. We sort out, man. Remember say you did done do a thing, you know, yesterday, man. We sort out, man. What you want to think?
Now, you give it.
Bro, I'm good, man. Me want to sort out. Yo, matter of fact, me don't feel away if me not make, if you don't make me buy, bro.
Oh, I know me feel awake.
Yo.
Alright, do it. Get anything you want. Get
Yo,
there.
just sort out. Yo, go in there water as a matter of fact.
Virgin,
Why pray?
how you take so long, man?
Oh yeah, you know me take so long. My, you go hold on upon this, man. Cherry juice. You're going like say you're thirsty that everybody now.
No, I'm going to do it first, but you have to admit the facts, yeah. Almost an hour, Hajo. But good 15-20 minutes, man.
So where the fun?
You want to go back for the beach?
You don't swim?
No, the water. Something about the water. The water different. Oh,
So where the fun now?
yeah, I'm hungry, man.
You want to
Maybe
go
a chat go up there so get some picture. Hey, you know so.
by Plaza option?
Yeah, a long time we don't go up there, you know.
No.
Boy, look like he's a man, he love hit a road, you know. You know, like cook yeah.
Boy, look at time, but they get time here. Pull up it and run.
Yo, so, I mentioned some more boys. It look like a pro.
Yeah.
I go to my road, some junk food on the road.
Yeah. You know where they go? You know where they go? Where the fuck is that?
What's happening like me? Rice, flour. I'm not too hot in the kitchen, you know.
You know what that, bro?
Rice, flour.
You know what I'm saying? If you tell her the truth, bro, I don't know nobody will have money what can cook. You know, for roll dumpling, like, roll it and need it.
Brother, spoon job we make, brother. You put the flour up on the spoon and just put the drip off in the pot when that's settled, yo.
You can't boil that.
Flavor.
You can't boil that, bro.
No, man, that boil, man. Right now, we have to make you make use of some of them. What do you think we're going to get it?
That's how I know.
Like, one line, or even half. Same food I'm in them.
That's how $200 $30.
Yeah, 30 bucks.
So, bro, I'm not telling you as soon as I can make it get it, bro. Oh, you just take.
No, man, no.
No, oh, you just a pressure.
Oh, yeah, be so defensive.
$100, you just a pressure me, I should know what's up, bro.
Fam, you're not for your move, so defensive.
No, man, you
ask you a
me
question.
tell you say as soon as I can get it, but no, if
You understand, but I check my check up, you know, if I get through anything, I'm if you're being defensive, what?
I'm not defensive, bro. You know what I have here. If me have the first thing when I do, the first thing, bro, I'm gonna eat nothing. That's why I get it.
I said that. I check
no, man,
I check me.
feel way that post somebody here and they know say y'all in $120 now. They feel one way about that. Nobody know that, bro. Bro, me like him. You know, that. What make it down?
Ah, come. Don't even bother to feel for the food. I don't know if I'm nothing.
Ah, it's like your name.
No.
Girl, I want to tell you to mix up as I call you over here, you know.
How happen now?
You know, here say, Miss Patty, I give man bun.
Miss who?
Patty.
You know, if you tell the honest truth, though, and what they make it over one man yard over there, say, no? Yes, the tall black boy.
I know that alone, you know. In there with Miss Pauline, husband, they look old man. Gonna be things are going.
Are you just tell me that now?
You know, too left your yard. You have to understand, you know, too left your yard, you know.
So, can me ask you something? Oh, you know all of them, you know.
Me have a mix-up friend named Trish. He know everybody business and he love tell me at night time. Me I'm sit down, I will chat them things over my phone. So I saw me know.
Girl, me I tell you, one day me a pass go shop, you know. And me see him over a tall man yard right over there, so girl. You want to see him as you see me jumping back. I remember saying, no me.
All me know say, no one bag of man can't call out my name, but it's a lady. Because one man me have.
You're crazy.
You know, him a swing around him body so.
But
All
wait,
place.
she not have a young daughter?
Yeah.
And she mother see little girl that see this. Then mom do.
Be all you. Alright.
Me never want to chat about it. Not even want to chat
And I
about it.
love it every time now, girl.
No, you have to excuse me now. No disrespect, but me and your friend, but my man come and you see him look upset. Take good.
After me, I sit down, you start chat people business, you come.
People business have to wait till they see my man come.
Don't come back up here.
But the mama.
Don't come back up here. Don't come back up here.
You're lucky. I'm to you, alright?
You know what I say?
What do you?
You know what I say? Me and Dallas go out today. And mama tell her this morning, say Dallas is saying I want to go to the beach, right?
Yeah. What happened, my beach?
Boy, man, put on one tight something. Miss wear one tight blouse and something.
Maybe by tight something.
One tight blouse and something. But that's not even that here from there. When we left now, I say we are go up a plaza and get something to eat. Dallas all come on about, yo, what go on for your money? What go on for your money? He didn't really say it, so you know, but me say, if you just ask me for your money, so I'm tell him, so when I have it, I'll give him back your money. Because he make me feel weird with that. Nobody need anything, but post out somebody a pass and here now. Because a big store we know.
Oh my. B, let me explain something to you. You see, I your brother, and you see, sometimes you take things the wrong way. Maybe you never mean to make you feel certain type of, but probably in there depend on the money. Probably I last money have and he lend it, you know. And he want it back along. So you don't know what you do is wrong. And you go on what type of way?
I don't to go on now, but you know, he make me feel that way. I'm explaining to that. He must say that he mean, you know, but
Exactly.
Kayla, I don't know he that, man. I don't know, idiot. Oh, you forget.
It's not a matter of idiot, Davino. It's not a matter of idiot. You see, sometimes people can have their loss and through you and them a family then take you and lend you and a depend on you and say, alright, such and such time, me get it back. Probably just ask the society want. Suppose him go through a so him broke and now or he no money.
You see, sir?
I can't that. I feel like if you call him, you know. If you like if you call him and apologize, if you go and say, okay, yeah, sound dirty style, you know. Sometimes you shout for people and go on emotion and take things the wrong way. So if I nothing, if you know say you go on some type of way, you call him and apologize.
Right now, the day done dead already, so tomorrow
It's not too late to call him. You can go and go call him or call him tonight.
Tomorrow I call him.
Are your brother that your brother supposed to have disagreement?
I breeze off. I make him go and breeze after, but I don't know. I don't feel like something wrong enough, but any idea I owe me money. So right now what I do? I go in and I try to get one other job because right now so everything will go on since Melissa stressed me out. With the house and the hurricane and everything. Cause that's why I even lend me money too. You know that the bills and pay now boy come like me pay one bill and I gone now one different bill.
No.
People are styling in the crowd now.
You know, style up. I feel like if
Were you there?
I never did it, but I know see your brother not gonna style us in a crowd. I feel like if you just call him or tomorrow morning you see my son and talk to him and explain to him say you need some more time to pay the money. You cannot disrespect him and over and want money. You know, see you wrong?
Alright.
Because I know your money, you know?
Tomorrow I'm linking.
Yes. Tomorrow I'm linking. Me I can't go in.
Tell your friend to not come back on my yard neither.
Why?
You don't like him.
Yes, sorry.
You don't like your friend. You don't like him.
I'm not perfect too. Want you? Because for you come for your brother, you face just long. What's wrong?
What? You know, say from forward, the first person I check.
Look, boy, come
Davi,
here,
right?
so. Come.
You know what I say?
Yeah. Come here.
You know, say the first person me go visit a Davi.
Yeah.
I'm a brother, I know him like that. Seeing Davi, haven't seen him in such a long time. Me still see a look on his face where mother say, thanks. To make it short, I realize say Davi no look right. He look like something about that. So anyways, no, he no look sick, you know. No, he no look sick. As in, he look like something troubling. See? So what I do, I go out on the beach, I shout him just to have a one-on-one conversation with me. See? And my daddy I pressure him, just for him say it out of his mouth. Because I see say something about him. You understand what I mean? So anyways, long story short, by we being there talking and having the conversation, I realize say him need some money to do some things in, but him not ask me for it. So you know what I do?
What?
Offer him a money.
Hey, look here. You know, say Davi is a prideful person. Like,
Yeah, that's why I
based on
said.
my observation, I'm an observer, but I'm say he's a very prideful person. You know, ask people to know. Like that, so why
Listen,
would he?
I never say him ask me. I say I offer him.
Oh, you offer
I
him.
offer for lend him my money for do that thing. Zine? Anyways, some time pass. Me and Davi link up again. We go up, we say me I go buy some for Coke or something. You see me? So we don't have to go in details of that.
Okay.
The only thing me do, me say Davi, what they go on with that thing there? And the man say, what? The man start behave the worst way. Like some literally say, Davi, give him my money. The only thing I ask him, I say, Davi, what they go on with that thing there? Nothing wrong with what that one I say.
I mean, it depends because if I was in his shoe and somebody asked me for their money, mother, I don't know. You know,
So what on? You tell me say something wrong.
it depends on how you say it. Mama say he's that type of person when him is. Mama say observe him and see the type of person.
Yeah, but when I ask him, nobody know. I look on it like this. It's like me and him a walk. Nobody know they nowhere.
Nobody know this.
Nobody know the left, right. Me look before I ask him. I just say, yo, me a smile because me and him a talk good. I say, Davi,
You
what do you go on with that
you
thing
sure
there?
say ask?
I see him way some ask the man. And the man make it look like, yo,
Your mouth never load or you.
my mouth never loud. But me I say, but
He
oh,
probably-
you a talk
he
now, it
probably
sound like,
said somebody here and then.
so, but oh, you a talk now, it sound like you a say me wrong.
Me not say you wrong and me not say him wrong. Me not pick up in and only to
Alright,
But yeah, tell me history.
Alright, based on what I just said to you. Who you would have say I bring the negative energy.
It depends. Me I fear from both sides because when it comes down to certain situations, me not judge situations.
Yes, but me I say,
but
listen.
based on what you said, well, based on what you have said to me,
Yeah.
if that was an issue, I don't really feel. I mean, I would have feel away a little bit because me not like. Me know say.
No, me feel like me kind of feel like you pick side.
Me not pick no side. Me know say me have money for you. How much days are lending me money?
Listen, that's beyond the point.
You know, behind.
The point is, I offer to lend him the money. Then the only thing me do, I just inquire about it just a bit. Me just say, what you going with that thing?
No.
Me not wrong, nothing wrong with what me say.
You kind of wrong because wrong-ish, it depends.
Right now, you yourself now make no sense.
But you're not supposed to ask him about it as yet. You don't reach a month yet.
Me never said to you, say me lend Davi a money for a month.
No,
lend him money.
You're lending him money, but you're not giving him a timeline on which.
Exactly, so that's why I would ask him and say, yo, what going with that thing? The whole thing have to say to me, me not get through yet.
But it's just like but you see, you say it's like he's in a situation. So if he's in a situation at that point, where you ask him about it.
Well, as well, alright, look at maybe at that. Yeah. You understand what I mean? What me just say, from my point of view, me not say what me do not know.
Alright.
Zine, and if him take it as
me no business about when still in on our brother. I don't want to come mix me in this and when time by any idea me go say something wrong, then you're hearing come to me and say me no business about.
Alright, we Alright.
Come here. Just take up something in my mind and drop them for your toe.
Yeah, alright, top think about the can off your head.
Not even that me I think about. Me just not like stylings man, but
Me not thinking that style. I feel like if you just talk to him tomorrow and see
I
what
talk to him
on.
man, cause me always can get on. One way or another, if I even sell a little bike on me off. I can sell it cause if me ever sell it and bank find out automatically.
Me, listen to me I say.
I even want it but
Me not think your brother need the money right away. You feel like tomorrow morning, you just call him and you call him, you go link up with him, or you call him over the phone tonight. Only if you have a simple conversation, as I said before, about what happened. Probably never that he mean.
that good none. As me say, me sort out all that.
You hungry?
Yeah, go and go cook some flour and mackerel.
You can take time myself to see about them here, but me not no mackerel sardine, me have sardine and rice. Yeah? Me soon come.
Sardine alright again. How this a farm? Hello?
Hello? Davi?
Who's this?
Davi. Where me go? This I don't know if I saw no yet, boy.
How this? Auntie Chelsea, how you do?
I am fine. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing. I'm doing.
You're doing.
I'm doing, man.
You're doing good.
How are you?
I am fine. I can't find out how it's time treat you.
Boy, it's time rough and auntie. We know some rougher than it's time. So we there are survive steady way.
You're rougher than it's time. That means you're not hungry then.
No, hungry way. Hungry after me.
No. Me I call this like a piece of money. You get me?
That's a piece of money.
Yes, me get one return. But then call it
Inheritance.
Inheritance.
Mm.
Yeah. Because they did that too, me no got no mind that.
You alright, man.
You don't send your piece of money. Must send you about 200,000.
Well, on the auntie, you know, say come like my phone drop and me not hear what you say. Want $200?
I want to just sit down and just stand up. Eh? You're there for your not here. I said I'm going to send you 200,000 Jamaican dollars. And today is Wednesday, so I'm going to send it by Friday.
Alright, auntie. Alright, man. Yeah, man. Holy patterns. Everything good with the door?
Everything good with you. I hope you love me more now. Can I see I in your teeth then?
You can't see in my phone, man. Me know, see you know.
Oh, well, me I send you come here, do something very good with it.
All
no
right.
idlings.
Alright, man.
Buy food, pay bills, and take care of yourself.
Alright, auntie. Thank you so much. Alright.
Alright.
Auntie, that. Oi, Pri.
we go.
There, on the
Yeah, boy.
How come I walk? How you carry them?
Just say me a stretch foot them, you know?
Oh. Well, here is my link.
Alright, you go.
Bro, here is my I'll call you out for meet me up and bro. You know what I say? Sit more and set you. Isn't me?
Alright, matter of fact, before we even make a sound, I'm going to tell you this. I want to say something to you, you see me? Boys, I say, I allow you to talk first.
Bro, yesterday, I'm go me a reason with Kayla and say, man. I don't know, I feel like say I could have probably handled things better because Kayla show more and pray and say might be the way how me take it, I never see what I mean, and what I say kind of make some sense, and really and truly when I look back on the whole situation, I don't say I act out of emotions, but I act out of my feelings at the time because I feel attacked in a way if I say, alright, we're there in our public space, so I can never tell me that from where forward up in the car or all the type of thing there. You that is how me felt in the moment.
Alright.
Looking back at it.
Before we even go no further, I see him thing more present to you, you see me? Because we have a deep conversation with Brittany and I see him thing, Shabby, you know, when I start looking to myself and I say, you know, you're right. Because I never might tell who might be nearby and maybe here and maybe, you see me? But to be straightforward, I never really attack you as you say you felt attack, you see me? It just like, the thought just come to me and I say, oh, I wonder if I get you with anything, you see me? I don't know where I sing from my mind where I could have asked a while in the car, you see me? So for that, we just want...
that's alone,
you see me?
More than good, but I apologize for all that.
Yeah, man. We're cool, man. Yes, man, all is well, man. I feel much more better right now.
God, no, I see him think
so we have that conversation, you see?
And then I get some good news yesterday to make me feel well and myself differently, bro. But I know everything's going right. And yo, watch out, I need more about that Monday. I'll make you get it back and I'll put it sit on it. Just give me some time, man. Yo,
don't worry about putting
hold on, man. I tell you, man, everything, bro, things are going good now. Right now, things finally look like they go up for me, bro. Because last night, I do some job hunting. I'm going and sitting and I send out some email. You know, hear about nothing yet. I feel optimistic. And yeah, if the job hunting no work out, I have a piece of line up said there. So everything they plan it up. But I'm going for Britannia. A long time I didn't even see it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you look happy. You definitely look like something in a pipeline. Like something I can work out for you. You see me? You know, if you say it out now. You understand what I mean?
Right.
Yeah, man. Just keep it on the low. But yeah, man. Britannia good. Everybody go, you understand what I mean?
So I'm to you look youths. When you stay now? You turn bigger now and
yeah, I call him little youth again, my boy. Yo, them pitney, brother. Mobile ring. Oh, vibrate.
Oh, this. Hello?
Yo, Davi Dan. Yo, I pray, bro.
Yeah, man, what going?
Bro, I know so I tell you, shoot you, me meet now, I look accident, me no. Me not get no bruises do you, but me I tell you, so me get a hard lick by my foot you, me I wonder if it broke or if it fracture or it's sprain. Yo, you know, so I tell you, shoot up on my black, me dead over you, want you lick me off my bike, brother, me I tell you, say man, they even tap you with.
Jesus.
So
where you want?
You know, so I tell you, shoot, me don't know how you stay still, but I want like a 10 grand, me did want borrow, because me I say, my daughter have to go to school tomorrow and yo, the whole thing just smash me up, you because like a taxi me that run for try making money and for you lick me off my bike, so it can't happen today, so I did want 5 to go to doctor, if other 5 for my daughter go to school, I did want borrow it from you, bro.
Poppy Dan, you'll find out who you make you. Don't worry, I'll link you, bro.
Alright, bro, I did my black go on way, because I feel serious pain on my foot, bro. I want to check out it, because I wonder if it broke or what. Alright, bro. Father God.
Alright, bro. Alright. Me father right now. Don't even worry about it. That's Bro, I hear some terrible news a while ago. I don't know if you accurate facts of this. Bro, you can only make 20,000 until the 2 year time I tell about me just get some news a while ago. But sitting urgent to go and wait. If me not move right now, a life and death situation, no, bro.
Well, Davi, Jaja.
How are you going? You know,
I said, I don't even know, you know, because me not really want nothing, like, you see, like, how cool now, call you and kind of put certain things aside. Me not really want we have no form of fallout in it, you see me, sir?
Follow with what, bro?
No,
if
me
you
just
don't have
say,
it that
right.
good enough.
Oh, I got it. That's no problem. That's no problem.
So why problem?
Just
I
a
try
say.
to understand.
No, due to we just have a little situation with. Alright. May I do that?
No, man.
May I do that? I said that to your same account, right?
No, but me not understand, bro. What you try to say? What kind of problem?
Bro, cool, man. Cool,
no,
man.
Bro, listen, I told you.
Right,
Alright, look, no, that means some owe you. How much more you know? 50.
Yeah.
You give 60. Just tell me, son, bro. And
Look at that, man.
No,
look,
what's
man. Here we go. Give me 45, I'm good. See? Look at that, man. You don't have to give me no inch. I mean, I said that cool, man. Me just shot that to your account.
Bro, I 2 day time. Not a day before, not a
2
day
days
after.
time.
You hear me, I say?
Alright, bro.
Alright.
I hold it to that.
Yo,
hold it to that.
you have to link my friend right now. Just send me, please.
Yeah, man. You send it, man. You send it. You send
Thank
it.
you.
Go for your money.
Want you.
Bro, you read so quick.
I mean, I'm read so quick and say, alright, this somebody, bro. Me have to run, come. Want you.
Me I tell you something, bro. I don't know if I broke it foot, broke or it's sprain or it fracture. I don't know, but me get one hard lip on my foot, brother. Man, lick me off my bike in the yard.
Okay.
And I was thinking, man, not tap in the yard.
Puppy, alright, here what going on. Me know say not pain, but me not have no money. Me need no money could I get. So here what me, you know, I look a problem. Oh, so money, but me borrow one piece of money. So here what go on. Me find the money for you. So me nah give you 10. Me nah lend you 10. Me I give you 20 for yourself.
But
Puppy,
you just say a barrier, bro.
Puppy.
You sure, bro?
Puppy, me get that, me pay that back in no time, man. I want to you, man.
But at 10 minutes, don't embarrass still,
And me I give
bro.
you 20. 10 for do whatever you do, and 10 as a virgin, because you're really good now. Father. Come on, man, help you, God, doctor.
No respect again, man.
Close the door. Ready now?
I'm ready, man. What do you do? D. Suppose me tell you, say. Suppose me tell you, say, me lend Davi 20 grand again.
Okay. You're joking, yeah? Don't come tell me nothing again, say.
No. Alright, here. Look at no.
it.
Look at no. To be honest, still, you know.
What?
You know, Davi never owe me yet. Yeah, a motherfucker, he never asked me for nothing yet. You know, the first time Davi himself ever just blatantly just say it out of his mouth, lend me. Just the lend.
But I mean...
I believe me, I'll get it back still.
But I mean, if it's not a person that borrows money all the time, that means that we pay you back.
Yeah, that means they're definitely in a situation right now.
And please not tell me when he infects again. It's not care that to me.
No, I believe him, I'll give him back still. I'm not go buy it. I believe him, I'll give him back still. But just 2 days time, we see.
But 20 grand again, alright.
Okay.
Babe,
Oh,
what you plan to do today?
you know, so I just lay on my day, I go and sit down and I'll get on one call. That's how nice this will go on today.
So I will call you.
Don't worry about that, man. But I want to take you out to a nice dinner tonight.
You take me out?
Yeah. No,
That's lovely.
I just let my day away.
So, can I make some breakfast too?
Mess up, bro. You don't have to worry about breakfast. We eat out tonight, man. I eat. We can get big breakfast with a matter of fact. I just want to call me away.
But no, you want to make it.
Oh, hold on.
Right?
Oh, give me a minute, yeah.
Yes.
No, I'm like power for So, auntie, what you mean, say storm there in the Bronx and all, so it can't bother us enough today? Oh, God, man. No, man, auntie, me no say you was sending, man. Tomorrow. Alright, me no say you was sending, man. I know nothing that. I know nothing that, man. Alright.
No.
Yo, fire man, my bro, I pray.
Active.
Hey, where are you in?
One of them.
Oh, you just pull up, so what going?
What? You know.
What are you in that era?
I'm a man of time, you know. I am a man of time. To them ring no God.
And that's my money. Alright, here I go on, bro. You know what I'm saying? I just took out me our money on the line. I told you to send off, but here I go on. Here I go on. Here I go on. Here I go on. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm sure you're food. You know what? Me even want you feel like something I grow on. Nah, hold on. You know what I'm saying? My grandmother, Auntie Chelsea, she send off one big money, 200,000. That's why I even say, yo, you make it get 60. But when I tell me some big snowstorm there in the Bronx, New York, right now as me I speak. So I tell me say all that money gram there, lock off, everything black down. So I just that type of right now.
You don't talk. You don't talk. Hear me say that. If you know it, if you don't have the money, say you don't have the money. If you're not going to have the money at a specific time, don't say you're going to have the money at a specific time. It's not about the money, you know, Dan. It's not about the money. It's just this the whole go around thing. I just it me can't bother with that.
Me never yet go around yet a day in my life from the day I'm born.
Yeah, but about the way to go around for now, then you never do it before, so why you do it
so
now?
what make you feel say me I do it now? All this time when you have your money growing up, bro, me never yet say, bro, you know say me hungry though, buy more box food. Never yet, and you can attest to that. So now if
still beyond the point, fam. Me I talk about now. We are that was
then. Say me even link you now and say lend me a piece of money. Where I lend from a friend. Not even lend me, give him that out of goodness of my heart, because him in a situation I don't even want to talk about.
Okay, why you never tell me if you just give her money then? Instead of you say borrow the money,
borrow the money. Me don't want you give me a money. My pride now go allow it. Me now go allow me feel happy if you say, you know, say me get have it X, Y, and Z when you in there. And I know about you.
Alright, so you don't have it. That's what you say, you know?
Me don't have it today. Tomorrow. That's all me I say. Me don't have the money today. Right. Bro, what make you feel like...
pass through still. Here, just... Me feel like if we just... low it as is. You want the money?
No, me never give you money. What you mean if I want the money?
See, alright, cool. We go just low it. Because to me, we feel like a some girl thing. That type of energy.
What kind of girl?
See me? And we don't really want the whole fallout type of vibe.
Fallout for what, brother?
Yeah, because I get some form of attention. Me see where it might lead to something. And that me I try to have vibe.
What's
so best we do?
Me apologize. I mean, I make you get the money to them. Me put that on my behalf. Me should make you get the money. But when you say me a girl now, I'm upset about that. I'm not. Bro, you'll get the money. Give me one next day. All me ask for me, I'm gonna make you get the money.
Davi, it's not about the money, Davi. I just the fact that I feel like you go around me as a brother. You understand what I mean? I just the whole go around vibe. 50 grand at least, then. I want to put time Michelle 50 grand, at least that man we talk about 50 grand. We not talk about 50 grand, take the 50 grand. What the fuck? Yo, love it as it is.
Yo, you'll get the money here. You'll get the money. God, auntie, you make a good send the money same time, man. Woman. Kayla! Kayla. Where are you?
Dude, like what happened to him?
Wait, I tell us I'm gonna take you out for dinner, but I don't think it all possible.
I'm tired. I don't have makes up a face, bro.
No. All the things, Kayla. Alright, if you tell me the truth, I never want to tell you because I really want to keep you a surprise, but I did forget one look a piece of money from my godmother. Auntie Chelsea, so I send more money. Then I owe dollars money too. So I tell him say today I get it. Because what day I borrow one other look a piece of money. Borrow one look a piece more because my friend Poppy and did in trouble and I couldn't see my friend in trouble and I know I could have one means to get it. And I'm gonna help him out. So right now I tell him say today I get it and he just pack up a yard unexpected. I don't know when he did pray but he just come over yard and said time when I go to the veranda and tell us to get on call from auntie. Auntie I tell me some terrible snowstorm. They were in there. So right now I'm money now forward. Might be forward tomorrow. So right now me and dollars come and I say well I go and see money me and tell them say bro you know say tomorrow. Dollars start laugh and I say how boy Davi better just tell me say you want money and stop growing me. Kayla, me never yet grow on dollars, me never yet beg him nothing and you don't even know how I feel right now for one time I said me a borrow sit in front of him.
So give it to him, you should tell him what I said him argue and say alright you will take it.
I don't want the money from him. I don't want the money. I just because I couldn't do better in that situation. Remember I say first money, you know. I see me. I say, yo, sitting around, and he will lend me money. Me never got him and say, bro, you know, say, God, no, me desperate in life. God himself could not get me to come down and beg him money on my behalf. Only him borrow money on my behalf, I just because Puppy Dan a good youth. And good youth.
Hush, me no about it.
Yo, Kayla, I don't know what I'm doing about.
I feel like if you just start to him, honestly, me can't take violence and me no want to come between you and your brother.
No, come not there between you know. Me find a way. I hopefully auntie send the money tomorrow. If not, I go borrow my loan from the bank. Then borrow a loan, because the bank I'll owe them too. But I find a way and give me money, okay?
Yeah, cause I feel like you have to borrow no more money from him, man. Cause
don't worry, man, half of the game. It's a lesson this, man. God knows it's a lesson in your life. But God will provide.
yeah.
What?
You know, say,
Notice?
and even not like that. You know, so me and Davi, you have to call it say we fall out. I go to this man. This man tell me, what I tell you say, this man tell me say 2 days. No, I'm not laughing thing.
No,
this man tell me 2 days. This man tell me 2 days. I go check him 2 days. And even him I go check him, I just pass me a pass. I'm just go over there and go link him. When me link this man will tell me, him not have the money. So, you know what I feel like? I feel like I some go around thing and I style Davi style me. I just tell him plain and straight a while ago.
Listen to me. Me not business boy and your brother right now. Yesterday you've been complaining about him. Now you come back again and complain about him. You can't bother with the tone.
No, I just put it to you and I tell you say, I feel like a style thing, but I watch you now. Remember, you know. As we said before, Davi asked me for a thing, me and him look past it. That him look past me and ask me and say 2 days time. Now I go to this man will tell me say, him not have it, some come up, snow fall, all type of
your brother, you know, so what
no, but me just say, it just, yo, the man just get on my nerves, yeah, man.
So you cost me 50.
No, I'm not argue. Me a good man.
The thing is, me not get why you complain to me all the time about you and your brother. It's your brother.
Yeah,
if he hold you for 2 days, nothing wrong with that. Or your brother. If a stranger, that would have different. If you understand what me I say.
Yeah, man. Just good there, man.
Also, say wrong with it. Come like say over so get to your brain.
Yo,
Davi Dan.
oh, Puppy, forward now, bro. Yo, that one go wrong in our life.
Where are you now?
There, man, I go and look out and
All is well?
yeah, man, you're good, man. You're a good man.
Boy.
So, yeah, man.
I say I'm there with a good news for you though, bro. But before I give the good news there, at the same time, I bless you up same way, because it's really out, then deserve but realness. I remember a time, you know, when you lit me off of my bike, you know.
That's how you told you I got there.
Yeah, man. And the youth lit me off of my bike, I didn't even know which side in turn my bike mash up. You see me? Police didn't even see him, I didn't even see him. I'm going to link you. I'm going to tell you, Davi Dan, you know, some other want 10,000 though. See if 5 can help me certainly with the bike. And the 5 you send my daughter go to school. You see me? Lend more, you lend me money. You give me 20 grand. When you give me 20 grand, you tell me, say, Puppy Dan that good. So you see, you now as I tell you, he's a real youth. So you know, say I don't know station me I come from. The police ain't find you to lick me off on bike. As they find him, he must wheel off for money. Says 100,000 if you get, but me get 50 or so.
Yeah.
Say 50 in or so. So you see 50,000. Yours it, Davi Dan. Yours in an envelope. You do good, bro, and me I do back good.
Puppy Dan, I tell you the truth, you see right now, you not even know what you do for me, because here, bros, man, thing I go on with me and my blood brother way. Me I wonder if, when even I get into that, Puppy Dan, I swear, to see if at any other time in my life, I give you back this and just tell us, yo, a normal people,
bro.
But believe me, I need you now, you not even know what you do for me.
I same time when me ask you for the 10,000, you know, and you give me 10 more and you don't even know what you do, you know. So I same thing now, you know.
I want to know, say I borrow the money there. So just
You see it. And then see it, you know, me can give you this a 50,000 here. Bro.
Yo, thank you a lot, bro.
Yeah, man.
Right now, yo, you don't even know what you do, but yo,
Just go and pick up yourself and hold them, you see me?
Yo, me help make Kayla know what I go on and me link my brother right.
Yeah, man.
Yo, thank you again, yeah.
And respect again for what you did do for me, youth. Because I tell you, if you did make my daughter go to school the next day, you know. Respect again, here.
Alright.
Alright, Davi Dan.
Dollars. Oh,
Oh, what on?
where are you?
They watch a video, but it seems like Syria not come down, so I think I'm going to go in, but what on?
I know I say, your husband me come look for though. Really and truly, me have something for game.
Oh. You need to check the other day.
Then I know if you tell the truth, me things not go right with me and him now. And
What happened? What happened to the two?
then I swear to him man Skype. My brother make me feel like me and my brother, he make me feel like say me the worst person in the world. And I'm my brother from week before me even born. I'm my brother that. And you won't believe say one time in our life I'm desperate. I tell you full story. Yeah, for I'm bridging. Now I'm bridging and it's like I'm going now I look at trouble. And I'm deal with people good. Anything I do for them, I don't ask them back for. Now I'm bridging. I do something good for him. You know, accident. Give him some cash. Dollars may not borrow from. Because anyhow, it's like in an accident, in a life or death situation. I make sure I get the money. I borrow from dollars. Because I didn't owe him 30 already. But that Thursday, I him really pressure me to borrow it from him. Because I won't say I work him. I was him forward back. I say, yo, sitting around. And I say that wrong. And he say, yo, he won't lend me this. And yeah, I'll say him now until he force to take it. But I may take you still. I'm wrong for that. I should never take nothing. I should have worked my way. I just make.
But listen, the two are now, brother, and if you see two are now, like a cuss and something, you know look good. You know look good none tall.
Here I go on. No more cussing all day now. Sometime in our life, a good way do you come back around in a circle. You see, Fred friend, I tell us some help out. I never lend him no money. Give him money with my borrow from dollars. Give me and say, I work my way and pay back. Him get through that little thing in our life, and right now, 50,000 he give me. Look in there yourself, no, you give him for me.
Alright. I go call him because I don't want to get mixed up with no money thing. So I attempt to count it. So I don't want nothing to go missing.
Alright, me understand. Do it.
So I go to him and come back. So
Alright.
no moving up.
Good news, your brother come to you.
Well,
Did you spit on him?
better look.
Alright, go on. I'm going to tell you.
What go on?
Hold on, Paris.
What is?
That's all right.
The money. So Davi, I borrow this guy can give me.
I tell us some of that sort out, you don't. I'm not borrow no money. Borrow money from you, I tell you today. See your money, then don't worry about nothing else.
Bro, as I said to you, it was never about the money. This whole thing is not about the money.
You know what about? It's about you looking down for me. And smaller times, you always feel like so because you're fortunate in life. You can deal with me certain way. And Kayla did tell me, say, and if that I mean, but bro, you see, oh, you're going to the God could have come down. God can't tell me say that.
There is never a time me ever look down on you in a no way, shape or form as a brother. Me just feel like you are the one who take advantage of my kindness. It was always that way from a small growing up.
Bro,
you always take advantage of my kindness.
Of what you can't tell me, you can't walk and tell nobody say, me I beg you this, me I beg you that. So take advantage of which kindness. But anyway, here we go. You have your money, don't?
As me say, it was never about this. No, you could all keep this. Right now you can keep this if you want.
Me see already, bro. Watch out, everything good, bro. Me do not have you. I am brother for life. Nothing can change that.
Me never have you.
No, watch out. You have your money now, so you good. Me good.
Always good.
We not good enough, but me good. So big up yourself, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
So, no, tell me.
Fully active, one coloring book I know represent my brother, my general, you know, Davi Dan HD. So you are going, you make it to the end of the movie. I mean, know say you like, share, comment, and subscribe. So you more you have to do. When you take up a phone and call a friend, send a text. You see me? I make them know say yo link up and just go over there over Davi Dan HD. Just go support the channel. Cause remember, I one coloring book.